Welcome to this video on CSRF attacks. Today, we're diving into a super common web security issue called cross-site request forgery, or CSRF for short. So, what exactly is a CSRF attack? Imagine you're logged into your bank account online. A CSRF attack is like a trick where a hacker gets your browser to send a request, like transferring money, without you knowing. It's called cross-site request forgery, or CSRF, and it's sneaky because it doesn't need to steal your password. It just uses the fact that you're already signed in to a trusted site. Crazy, right? Let's see how it works next. Okay, let's break down how a CSRF attack actually happens. First, you log into a site, like your bank, and it gives your browser a session cookie to say, "Hey, this is you." Now, imagine a hacker sends you an email with a tempting link, like win a free prize. You click it, and it takes you to a bad website. That site secretly tells your bank, "Transfer $100 to me," using your browser. Since your cookie is still active, the bank thinks it's you and does it. For example, one click on a fake prize link could empty your account. Scary stuff. Why should we care about CSRF? Well, it's seriously harmful. A hacker could use it to steal your money through fake transfers, change your account email or password, or even mess with private info. If you're an admin on a site, they could take over everything. For users, it's a loss of money or data. For companies, it's a hit to their reputation. Customers might stop trusting them. Basically, CSRF can cause chaos with just one wrong click. Now, how do we stop CSRF attacks? The easiest way is with something called a CSRF token, a random secret code. Here's how it works. When you load a page, the site gives your form a unique token. When you submit it, the server checks if the token matches. If it doesn't, the request gets blocked. On the client side, you just add a hidden field in your HTML form, like this code here. On the server, you check if the token matches what you expect. Hackers can't guess these random tokens, so they're stopped cold. Simple, right? Let's look at some real-world CSRF attacks to see how serious this is. Back in 2006, Netflix had a flaw where hackers could add DVDs to your queue or even hijack your account settings. In 2008, YouTube had a similar issue. Attackers could do almost anything with your account. And in 2020, TikTok had a CSRF bug that let hackers take over accounts with just one click. These big names show that no one's safe unless they protect against CSRF properly. If you're a developer, here are some best practices to keep CSRF away. First, always use CSRF tokens for any form or action. Don't skip this. Second, set your cookies to the same site equals strict or lax. This tells the browser not to send them to random sites. Third, never let GET requests change stuff, use POST instead. Also, log users out after they've been idle too long. Short timeouts are your friend. Finally, test your app often to catch any CSRF weak spots. These steps make your app a fortress. A lot of people mix up CSRF with XSS, cross-site scripting, so let's clear that up. CSRF tricks you into sending fake requests using your login session. XSS, though, injects evil code into a website to steal stuff, like your CSRF tokens. The misconception is they're the same, but they're not. CSRF exploits the site trusting you. XSS exploits you trusting the site. Here's the kicker. XSS can ruin CSRF protection by grabbing those tokens, so you've got to guard against both. What about you, the user? How can you stay safe from CSRF? First, log out of websites when you're done. Don't just close the tab. Second, avoid clicking weird links in emails or messages. They might be traps. Third, clear your browser cookies now and then to wipe out old sessions. Here's a pro tip: use one browser for important sites like banking, and another for random surfing. Oh, and if you spot odd stuff in your accounts, like surprise changes, report it quick. Before we wrap up, here are some fun extras. CSRF attacks started way back in 2000, over 2 decades ago. Today, browsers like Chrome help out by blocking some CSRF with same-site cookies by default. And get this, it's not even in the OWASP top 10 list anymore since 2017 because we've gotten better at stopping it. My big takeaway? Stay curious and proactive. Web security matters to all of us, whether you're a user or a coder. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Goodbye, and see you soon in our next video.